Hey guys, it's Arlene and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I am super excited because I am going to show you guys my curly girl method. So this is basically my hair routine every day. I don't have a lot of time to really, put a lot of effort on my hair because I'm so busy. I only get to probably, prepare like 30 minutes in a day to go to work. So this routine of mine will really help you guys if you don't have a lot of time. This is super easy and effortless, and it will literally only take up to 5 minutes. Yes, up to 5 minutes of applying the product and just let it air dry like an hour or two. While waiting for your hair to dry. I have been using these products for 5 years now and it never failed me. Like, I always get compliments everywhere I go. I have a curly hair my entire life, but I don't know how to style it. It wasn't well defined, and at the time I have been combing my hair and I just didn't like my hair at all, to the point that I have straightened my hair chemically, and I got tired of it. So luckily a friend of mine introduced this product, and since then I have been using this product for years and I love it a lot. I am so thankful that I have found these products, because with these products I know now how to style my hair fast and easy. And with these products I have learned to embrace my curls, and it made me realize that having a curly hair is gorgeous. So without further ado, guys, I am going to show you my hair routine in a minute, and I'm going to show you how my hair looks like when I wake up in the morning and when I comb my hair, and I'm going to walk you through and guide you through the process, the quick and easy process on how to make your hair look like this.
Like a bell cut.
Hey guys, so this is how I look when I woke up, and this is how my hair is in the morning. And I'm not really confident, being in front of the camera looking like this, but this is the reality. So as you can see, my hair is just a mess right now, and I don't like this, like strands of hair just flying around. Like, I want my hair to be like in groups, like Goldilocks, something like that. But this is how my hair is right now, and it's even worse if I comb my hair. So we are going to comb my hair. I'm using this comb. Yes, I'm not sure how you call what do you call this comb, but it has like big teeth. And so let's comb my hair so you can see, the reality when how my hair is after combing my hair. Hey guys, so this is how my hair is after combing my hair. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing right now because my hair is super ugly, but it is what it is. I want to show you, how my hair is. Like, this is the reality. So Yeah, because at the end of the day, after this video, I want you to learn something from me. I hope I'll make your curls gorgeous as mine because of the product that I'm using. And yeah, so by the way, do not comb your hair, okay? Do not comb your hair. If you want your curls to be like intact, like by groups, do not comb your hair. Only comb your hair when you're applying conditioner, when you are taking a shower. So this is the products that I'm using when the shampoo. This is the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine. I'm sorry, it's the shampoo, but it's the conditioner, duh. And this is the shampoo. So same brand, but you will love this product if you have curly hair. So yeah, so let me hop in the shower and I'm going to be back. Okay guys, so I just finished taking a shower, and as you can see, my hair is still wet. I did not comb my hair. Like I said, do not comb my hair. And look at, if you can see, the water, the excess water is still dripping. All you have to do is, do not rub your hair with a towel. Just grab, a hand towel and just squeeze the excess water like this. To kind of like wring, your hair to remove the excess water. That's it. That's it. Okay, so now I am going to use also Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Okay, I love this product. This will make your hair, this will make your hair like shiny with bouncing curls. And I also use this product right here. It's also Shea Moisture Curl Style Milk. If you want your hair to be wet look, you can use this both together. But if you want your hair to have really like big volume, and at the same time also shiny but not wet look, you can use this alone. So for today, I'm only gonna use this, and on my next video, I'm going to show you guys how my hair is if I use both products. So what I do is I partition my hair. I start at the bottom, and then I apply this smoothie. The amount will be like this, and then I usually put it on my palm and do like this, and then I turn around, okay, and then put the smoothie like here. Do not scrunch your hair too much, just like that. And then grab another layer like this, okay, and then take more like this amount, put it on your palm, rub it like it is, and apply it. Okay, apply it evenly, but do not scrunch your hair too much, just like that. And then grab another like this, same pattern, grab another layer like that. Okay, do not scrunch your hair too much, just leave it like that. And then grab another layer. Like that. Do not comb your hair. Even you're using your fingers, do not do that, okay? If you want curls to be like grouped together, do not comb your hair. Okay, layer by layer until you covered your whole hair. Okay, and I just have this last part. And I still have some excess smoothie, so I'll just, put it like that. And then do like this. Okay, and then just scrunch it a little like this. That's it. And then put your hair up and just leave it like that. Do not scrunch your hair. Do not style your hair just yet. Just leave it like that. Okay, and then, if you are taking a shower early in the morning before going to work, after applying the smoothie, just, prepare your breakfast, eat breakfast. If you have dogs, go feed your dogs and feed your husband also. And yeah, iron your clothes, do whatever. So just let it air dry for about, an hour or two. If it's too long for you and you cannot wait, just maybe put your makeup on, get dressed, and drive, to your work. And when you get to the garage, that's when you are going to touch your hair, when it's really fully dry. So don't touch it yet. Just leave it like this, like I said, and I'm going to be back an hour or two so we can style my hair. Hey guys, so it's been 2 hours and my hair, as you can see, it's now dry. It's just kind of like wet look. I didn't touch my hair, I didn't scrunch my hair. So basically just let it air dry for 2 hours. And now that it's fully dried, we are going to scrunch it. So what I do is I do like this and scrunch it like this. Scrunch it slowly, just one direction. And then go like this. And then now you can, style your hair, whatever. So for me, I style my hair basically just like this. Yeah. So as you can see, my curls are like grouped together. That's the reason why I don't want you to comb your hair, after taking a shower. And if you want more volume, then scrunch it again. Do the same step. Like that. And yeah, I hope you like my curly girl method, and on my next video I'm going to use together the curl smoothie as well as the curl and style milk. Thanks guys for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Like your Hellcat.